Welcome to my channel. How can you achieve fuller, pinker lips effortlessly? Get ready to discover the ultimate secrets to lush, radiant lips. Say goodbye to ordinary, and hello to a lip transformation like never before. In this guide, we're spilling the beans on expert tips that will have you rocking fuller, pinker lips effortlessly. Stay tuned and get set to revolutionize your lip game. Let's take a closer look at your lips. They're not just there for looks, they're like a canvas for expressing yourself. But here's the thing, our lips need some extra attention. They're delicate and deserve some TLC. So what's the secret? Well, it's all about giving them what they need, hydration and protection. Think of it like giving your lips a little love to keep them naturally healthy and glowing. Now on to plumpness. Who wouldn't love fuller lips, right? But here's the cool part. We've got some tricks up our sleeve to naturally amp up that volume. No need for any fancy procedures here. Forget about overlining. We've got tried and true methods that'll give you that perfect pout without any hassle. Time for a deep into the science of pink lips. Ever wondered what makes that rosy hue? We're uncovering the secrets behind it and exploring what factors contribute to their natural color. Get set for some unexpected tips and tricks that'll help you achieve that gorgeous, luscious pink tone effortlessly. We talk about the secret to keeping that lip glow. A proper lip care routine. It's essential for keeping them in top-notch shape. We're breaking it down for you. A simple yet powerful routine designed just for your lips. From gentle exfoliation to giving them the nourishment they crave. These steps will ensure your lips always look their absolute best. Here's a little bonus for you. Have you ever thought about DIY treatments for your lips? Well, get excited because we've got some incredible, all-natural remedies that you can make right in your own kitchen. These cost-effective solutions are like giving your lips a homemade spa day, giving them the extra love and care they truly deserve. It's important, confidence. It's the ultimate game. By understanding, caring for, and embracing their uniqueness, you're not just a game changer. Embrace your unique beauty and let your personality sparkle. Your lips are just a part of what makes you special. Remember, it's your confidence that truly lights up your entire being. As we close up this lip video, remember, more than just a feature. They're your canvas for confidence and self-expression, enhancing your lips. You're celebrating your individuality. So, flaunt those fuller, pinker lips and let your inner beauty shine. Thanks for joining us on this lip glow-up adventure. Until next time, stay fabulous.